Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my brand new channel. In this channel we'll be explaining weather and all that is meteorology. So today I'll be explaining what is El Nino. El Nino is the warming of the equatorial Pacific regions in the Pacific Ocean. If you look to the equator right now, you find that it is currently 2.7 degrees Celsius above its typical temperature. That means that this year we would usually have a warm winter. But if you've been noticing as of late, the pattern in the jet stream looks anything but a El Nino. It looks more of a La Nina, with a dip or trough centered over the western US and a ridge centered over the eastern parts of the US. However, this pattern is about to become to an end. As December approaches, the jet stream will migrate a little bit farther south of New York City and a colder will now behold to take place, with the ridge being further to the southeastern parts of the United States. Now the question still remains, because the jury is still out, is it going to be a warm winter or will it be a cold winter? For now, it is not known, as every single winter outlook in the United States, eastern parts of the Northeast always have a big question mark. The reason is always known because El Nino, although it has a marginal effect around the weather pattern in the world, it technically doesn't show a lot of correlation with the Northeast. The Northeast, you mostly got to look to the Atlantic, and right now there are no signs of much of anything except for tropical development. So during analog years compared to this one, we have 82 and 83, 97, 98, which were similar, but you also have 9 and 10, which were 2 years actually had a lot of snow on the floor. And these were also moderate to strong El Nino years. So it could come out to either of these three outcomes. Currently being discussed is the 09 and 10 years where we had a lot of snow. A moderate to strong El Nino usually leads to a warm winter scenario. Scenario number one is a high pressure, a blocking pattern, which allows the jet stream to sink into the east, or vice versa. It will do the same in the west. The second scenario will be a high pressure centered over the Aleutian Islands, allowing the jet stream to do a trough over the western area of the Pacific Ocean, but also lifting slightly into the northeast, but allowing for winter activity to still coexist within the Northeast. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll have more information based on the El Nino update. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching my new channel, Climate Fanatic NAO.